Okay, this is Hassa. They call it Cascadu. I'm gonna, I already cleaned, so I'm gonna cut the belly, put some salt, and leave it for cook the next day. And you can see the fat inside. This is nice, good Hassa. This is how you salt the belly. They call it can Hassa. They say can Hassa. I like to corn my Hassa before I cook it. This is the cooked knife. This is my Hassa already clean. I can it. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for tomorrow, and then I cook it. Hassa known as Cascadu. Trinidad people call it Cascadu. So I cleaned it out yesterday, and I cut the stomach, and I salt it. I left it overnight. So now what I'm gonna do, I soak it in vinegar and cold water. So I'm gonna wash it out, clean out, and then I'm gonna cook it. After I soak it with vinegar, I wanted to use a piece of lemon too. I soak it in vinegar for 10 minutes. Then I throw the water out. Now I'm gonna use a half a lemon, because under these scales them just have a lot of like dirt. I want it to be clean. Okay, I'll leave this for another 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it out clean, get ready to cook. Okay, my Hassa soak in the water for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna wash it out now. Make sure you get all in the gill at the side clean, because there'll be sand inside. This way is supposed to be look like clean inside. This is the inside of the Hassa. So you see, I take my finger, I get everything out. It carry a lot of sand between those stuff, so you need to take it out. This is the inside when it's clean. the fish clean, nice. In my bowl.